You need to finger this bhatura. Oh, smoking! Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. 5 ingredients that will make your bhatura puff up good and also taste really nice. How did the bhatura get its name? You saw the butt crack. A big, beautiful woman, but a big butt was going. She made a trrr noise. At the same time, this puffed up. So it came bhatura. I have made bhatura by adding yeast and so many, but I'm going to show you the street style of making bhatura dough. Among the dry ingredients, the first ingredient is semolina. What will happen is when the bhatura puffs up, it has to hold the structure. Like in a building, you need steel. For a bhatura, semolina, that is rava, you need to add. For 100 grams of all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon of semolina. Salt, sugar will enhance the taste of your bhatura. Not just the taste, it will also give you nice color. Soda is quite powerful. It helps the bhatura rise, and add a little bit. First, mix all these dry ingredients. Make a well. Add half a cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of oil, preferably slightly lukewarm water. Now knead this into a soft dough. The little oil will help you knead the dough into a nice soft texture. Use all your energy to knead the dough. Imagine when I was working in the hotel, I used to mix 50 kg of flour with hands. But nowadays you have all the machines. Knead it well till you become breathless and some sweat. When the gluten forms, let it rest for at least 2 hours. For making chole, I am using deshi chana. In this, you can add a little bit of soda and water and let it soak overnight. For boiling this chana, you can use a pressure cooker. Add enough water. For a good aroma, we're going to add some red chili, black cardamom, bay leaf. For the earthy flavor and the aroma, we're going to use some tea leaf. Put in a muslin cloth. Make it into a potli, that means make it into a bag, then drop it in the water, let it cook. The tea leaf will infuse all the earthy flavor, and the tannin in tea gives the extra aroma to your chole that will make you addictive. If you are a tea drinker, you know what it means. Now let it cook till the chana is nice and soft. Today it's all about bhatura, so let's make a quick chole. For this, add some oil in the pan, cumin, and finely chopped onions. Add some salt and turn the onions to little golden color. When the onions are slightly colored, ginger, green chili. Look at the way the ginger is. In this, we're going to add tomato puree. Let this cook till the tomatoes are done and some of the oil floats on top. All the flavors have been extracted. The tea leaf also gave its nice and dark color. We're going to add some chole masala, a little bit of kasuri methi. Usually this is included in our chole masala. That's it. And finally, the chana. Slightly overboiled chana. Let this cook for another 10 minutes. It will be ready for our bhatura. This ain't cheese. This is butter. Let it go into my chana with good amount of coriander. Already amchur powder in the chana masala gives a little bit of sourness. I usually like to add a little bit tamarind juice, but today I'm going to just use lemon juice at the end. Once you add the lemon juice, don't cook any further. Switch off the flame and this is ready and you can enjoy it with bhatura. Look at it. Look at this. The butter will slowly melt. Wow. With some onion, carrot, cucumber, anything on the side. This chole. Ding, chick, ding, chick, ding, chick, ding. The chana masala for my bhatura. This is so wow. Wow. Thin bhaturas will puff up better. If you rest the dough for a longer time, your bhaturas will get even better. Otherwise, too, they will puff up, but come on, go in. So, each and every bhatura, look at this. When they get the crack like this is like a butt crack. Now look at it, how nicely puffed up. How did the bhatura get its name? You saw the butt crack. A big, beautiful woman, but a big butt was going. She made a trrr noise. At the same time, this puffed up. So it came Bhatura. If I have to name, I'll crazy, crazy names I'll come up with. But wow, a Bhatura, nice, perfect, and transfer it like this. Because of the semolina suji, it will remain puffed. And about to eat it, you need to finger this Bhatura. Oh, smoking! Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Why will it not be good? It is hot and sexy. Even the small Bhaturas will be good. The small Bhaturas are no less. They are also good. The butter is melting. Still, my Bhaturas will be fuming. The pickled vegetables, the fresh vegetables which are crunchy, just with the pickle. Wow, what a crunch bite. And the butter is all melted on this chole curry. Dip it in. Wow. What else you need? This is, wow, Mamma Mia. This is absolutely boomba boomba. You got to try this. Very easy, very tasty, very simple, quick and easy. Make sure that the dough rests at least 2-3 hours. Then you divide into balls and let it rest. That's when you'll get a nice puffed up bhaturas. I used to enjoy these bhaturas in Delhi, Paharganj and all that areas we used to go, especially after watching movie in Priya Theatre. My God, this is when I was young, in my 20s. I have a friend, Vikram Simha. We both used to be management trainees at WMI. We used to go every weekend in Delhi just to eat these bhaturas. And with every bite, this chole and bhatura is divine. It's a match made in heaven. Every bite is just... This is what is finger licking good.